Welcome back to King Nada's Barbecue. Today, we're doing a chicken. Spatchcock style. Don't mind the noise. There's a bunch of construction going on around here. Eek. Nasty. Spatchcock means we're gonna cut the spine out, flip it over, lay it flat. Let the chicken be on one even, plain surface while we cook it. First, get yourself some kitchen shears. Just go right along the tail. Once you're through one side, flip it around and do the other side. Save this. Like I said, make some stock. Feed it to your dogs. Whatever you want to do. Alright, flip her over. Flipped her over. You can see the chicken, breast, leg, thigh, kind of lay at the same surface area, same plane. We don't have that cavity in here. That's going to soak up some of the heat. Next thing I'm going to do is run my fingers from under the skin, separate the skin and the meat. Oh, I already ripped it. Do the same thing with the thighs. Pull them out, expose the meat. Pull them out, expose the meat. Today's seasoning of choice, we're going with the Meat Church fajita and some of the Killer Hogs barbecue rub just for some color. Just do a light dusting on the skin to give it some color. Alright, we're going to throw in the fridge for about an hour or so. Let all that seasoning and everything soak into the meat and the skin. Dry it out a little bit. Then we'll get back to the Weber and I'll show you how we set that up in a bit. Alright, in a true forgetful nature, I'm setting up the slow and sear on the Weber 22 with some Royal Oak briquettes and a chimney, about 85% full. And throw everything in the slow and sear basket. Throw the chicken on the other side. Think I may have some smoking wood somewhere around there. If not, we're just going to do a full roast. We'll get back to it in a minute. Alright, it's been about 20-25 minutes. Got some melted butter with some garlic and parsley. Just gonna drizzle it throughout the cook. See where we're at right now. Make a mess. Alright, nice and lathered. Come back another 25 minutes. 50 minutes in. Check the temp real quick. Breast. 20 small bud. Another 20. I think we should be good on the coals. Alright, it's been about an hour and a half. This is what our final product looks like. Killer hogs. Gave it a nice color. Breast is tempting at 160. Carryover will take it to probably about 165. Gonna take it out, let it rest for a bit. We'll cut into it. See you then. Quick recap of what we did today. Started off with a chicken. Cut the spine out. Call that spatchcocking. Took the spine out. Cut a little bit of the breastbone on the back end. Made sure everything laid flat. We cooked on the Weber 22 today. I used my slow and sear. Basket full of briquettes. On the cold section, we placed the chicken. About every 25 minutes, 20 minutes, I basted it with some butter that had some garlic and some parsley in there. Overall, the cook took about an hour and a half. Did have to replenish a little bit of the briquettes. Overall, nice and easy Saturday cook. And we'll cut a little bit right now and see how it looks and how it tastes. This chicken is smelling extra garlicky. Start off by separating the thigh and the legs. Just look at a piece of this because I'm serving dinner in a bit. Gotta film this before everyone wants to eat. And just like that, folks, see the juiciness. You can see it spilling. See how it's tasting. Juicy, garlicky, just good old barbecue chicken. And we're good to go. If you like what you're seeing, please comment down below, like, subscribe, all that jazz that everyone says. Yeah, committed to doing this a lot more throughout this year. I'm kind of slacking off. I've invested enough money as it is in equipment. Might as well put it to use. So until next time, this is Leo of King Nidus Barbecue, and see you next time.